Google's algorithm is complex, but at its core, it's a mathematical formula. When a piece of content is found, Google credits it with some type of ranking juice. This means that the more content you have, the more powerful your site becomes. So to remain competitive online, eventually everyone's going to have a big site. This means clean code matters more than ever. Clean code means a faster website, better user experience, improved search crawlability, and improved search engine optimization. Slow sites with bloated code are less likely to rank well. Your only advantage in this new world is going to be having a faster website and being a better editor. Because ChatGPT can find, organize, and write lackluster, unappealing content at lightning speed. But it's up to you to make sure it's well organized, easy to read, visually appealing, and has that something extra that makes people want to share it and link to it. Because one of the most important factors for ranking in Google is backlinks.